It's time to prepare for the AP test at home. So let's get your workspace ready and begin. Step 1, designate a space where you have access to the internet. You're going to need plenty of workspace. Clean the area and remove any distractions. Make sure your computer is charged or plugged in and all other window programs are closed. Also be sure to have your check spelling option set up so it will underline any spelling errors. Step 2, get your timelines out, post them up ahead of time, get out your reminders like the essay rubric, which you can use as a quick check before you're ready to submit, the essay structure sample to kind of keep you posted, the sample sourcing notes in case if you can't think about how you're going to do sourcing, your review strategy right before the end, and also a few pens or pencils and maybe even a highlighter.
So you're going to notice I found a small space that's kind of isolated. That's going to be perfect for my testing zone. The first thing I did was I hung up my timeline again so I can be sitting right in front of it. I've got the overviews of each unit up at the front. We're just missing that third one, which will be ready by the end of the week. On my table, it's nice and big space. I found a table that's completely blank, so it can just be only for my work. I've got my College Board uploaded, the computer's plugged in, there's no other documents are open. I've got a great strategy tip here to keep in mind when I'm getting close. You'll see I've got all my stuff here, my sample structure, my sourcing setup in case if I need it, the rubric, which I'm going to go through and cross off as I finish, and then the papers that are already prepped and ready to go, so when the documents release, I'm ready to start writing.
Step 3, use a timer so you can keep track of time or have someone help you with this. Remember, you only have 45 minutes to read and write. The time will go quickly, so use your time wisely.
Next, you'll notice I've got my timer set up at 45 minutes. So it's ready to go. I want the timer to be ready to turn on as soon as the question opens so I can keep track of time. You might also think about having someone kind of also having a timer on in your house, making sure you're using your time wisely and you're not getting distracted.
Step 4, remember, time will go fast. Do not waste any time looking up information, calling anyone, or getting distracted. Just get focused and work. And remember, have those papers set up ahead of time to help you with your document analysis so you're ready. Okay, so it's time now. Read the question carefully so you know exactly what it's asking and keep that in mind when reading your sources. Start analyzing each source. Keep in mind, who is the author? What type of source is it? Is it a letter? Is it a request? Is it a response? As you're thinking about it, also think about maybe how it might answer the question. Brainstorm your structure, begin writing, give yourself time to review your writing, checking for spelling errors, submit, and then take a deep breath. You've finished and you've done it. Great job.